Today we are taking a look at some new earbuds. I haven't ever done any earbuds from these guys. Baseus, I believe it's called. These are the Inspire XC1 open ear earbuds. Sound by Bose. So that's pretty cool.
Baseus is built on the idea of being practical, reliable, and based on the user. For over a decade, they've focused on creating minimalist, easy to use designs with premium quality and eco friendly materials. They were pioneers in GaN technology, leading the way with the world's first GaN charger, and continue to push innovation in consumer electronics. Every product is engineered for both performance and style, earning international design awards and trust from users worldwide.
And these are the kind of earbuds that they're open ear earbuds, but you may have seen them. We've reviewed some from other companies that kind of clamp on, like almost like a clip-on earrings, which I think are pretty cool. So Dolby Audio, Knowles, Super Bass 3.0, Super Balance 3.0.
Comfort meets performance with the Zero Sense air cushions. These earbuds are built for all-day wear using a curved adaptive fit and soft, breathable silicone that keeps them secure and irritation-free so you can go from your morning commute to an evening workout without ever noticing they're there. And when it comes to staying powered, the long-lasting battery life has you covered. You'll get up to 8 hours on a single charge, plus an incredible 40 hours with the case. Even better, just a quick 10-minute charge gives you 2.5 hours of playtime. So your music or calls are always ready when you are. To top it all off, these earbuds are built tough with an IP66 waterproof rating. That means rain, sweat, dust, or splashes won't slow you down, making them the perfect companion for workouts, outdoor adventures, or everyday use in any weather.
Very cool. Very much interested in these because I do think this style of earbud really, for a lot of people, is super comfortable. At least they have been from the ones I've tried before. Has multiple EQ modes tuned via the Basis app. So number one, hey, it has an app, which is cool. So we will definitely be looking at the app for sure. But I want to see if they have like a QR code. I could just search it up. So they have these little pull tabs here. Let's just take a look. So you get the earbuds. Excellent. You get USB, I'm guessing cable. Yep. Very nice. USB-A to USB-C. This would be for your charging, of course. You get a quick start guide. Now, you don't get tips or anything like that because you don't need them, right? These are like open ear, so they're like almost like an air conductive type headphone earbud. That's them right there. Let's just open this up. Actually, we can just slide these over. That's them. Yes. Basis. Sound by Bose. All right, you guys can see that's them. Yes. Lovely. There they be. So I'm wondering, here's my first question. I'm wondering if we go into settings under our Bluetooth, do they just show up as soon as you open the lid? All right, so I'm in my Bluetooth. Here they are. We're just going to look to see if they show up. Open. Boom. And boom, connected. That's easy. Easy enough. Yes. Now, I do want to look, like I said, if they have in their quick start guide, where you and I can go to get this app, because supposedly there is an app on these. Turn your Bluetooth on, I'm with you. Multi-point pairing, so it looks like you can connect these to device A and device B. Very cool. But what I am noticing, oh yeah, there they are, app control. Okay, so we do have one of these. Let's just see if this works. Into the App Store. Very good. I must have reviewed some Basis stuff in the past because it says I've had the app. We're just going to let that download. That may take a little bit of a minute. This is them here. And you can tell which side goes in your ear because as you can see, it has the speaker part. These are the charging points and you put it back in. So this, just make sure, again, speaker part there, they just kind of sit on your ears like this. Yes? Okay. Just again, make sure the little round part kind of goes in your ears. Well, yeah, you could wear these forever. Like literally forever. You could wear those. So first off, there it is, it's downloaded. So let's just open this. Hopefully it'll try as guessed. Good. Yeah, we're just gonna try as guest. Enter guest mode. Yep. Oh no, some features aren't available. I gotta get all of them. So let's try to log in here. Just be aware when you're going through the registration, it may put it into your junk mail. Mine did. So you have successfully registered. Excellent. Now I just gotta log in. I'm gonna add a device, searching, allow. There they are. Boom. Add. Start using. Yes, please. There they are. 100%, 100%, 100%. Dolby audio. Look at that. Music or cinema. You have your low latency mode, your audio settings. You want to enhance your battery life? Do you want high res audio? You have your equalizer. Sound by Bose. Yes, I want that actually. That's what I want. Let's try that first. Okay. Is that it? Is that all I got? What else do I have? Gesture settings, dual device connection. Cool. And you have a settings up here. Your version. Oh, new version. Start upgrading. So we want that. We're gonna do the upgrade, and then we'll be right back because upgrades are important. Yes. All right. So upgrade has been done. Firmware update is all done. Just had to restart everything. So I think we're good. So first off, let's just give these a listen, shall we? So I have some music that I like to listen to. These guys here have been enjoying their new album, so I'm going to just give that a listen. Let's see. Okay, I have to say, I'll be honest with you. Um, for ones that don't go like in your ears, they're open ear designs. That's fantastic. It's really good and really good bass, which is really surprising. There might be some sound leak. I'm not too sure. And I'm not even at full. There we are. Wow. Let's see how it goes here. Okay, and that's in the sound by Bose. So if I went into Bass Boost, the sound by Bose is actually really good. Okay, I'm curious. If I went Dolby, I don't know, even that one's really good too. And you have your equalizer, right? So I do think you could add your own equalizer if you wanted to do it, right? So you could add your own and just have it customized. But I think I like that Dolby Atmos. Yes, sir. That's really good. And the Bose one, I don't know. They're both good. That's really good. Just try one more by them. Yeah, they're fantastic. You'd never think that these were open ear. Well done. Well done. Okay, audio quality, I say that's a complete win. And again, you could wear these all day, like all day with comfort wise. No issues at all. So my curiosity now is how the mics sound, because it does say that they have, I think it's 4 mics. So let's bring up Blackmagic here. This is what we use for this. And we will go into our audio and switch this to the Baseus Inspire XC1s. Yes. Okay. And we will do a quick recording. Here we go. Okay, so this is coming off the XC1s. You guys should get an idea what the microphone sounds like. Again, this is unaltered audio. But if you're going to be using these for phone calls, or maybe you're using them for gaming and then you need a microphone, you're using them for your Zoom calls because you're using them for work, whatever it is, this should give you at least a little bit of an idea on what these actually sound like. But I have to say that the sound quality from them in regards to the audio, super good. Now, if their mic is anywhere near that, I think I'm going to be really impressed. Anyways, I'm going to stop this recording. We'll go back to the normal mic. Okay, well, I have to say, these are fantastic, really good. I've been impressed with some of the ring styles, earbuds in the past, but I have to say, I think these, honestly, are probably the best ones so far. These are probably the best ones that I've heard, just because their volume quite loud, which is really good. You don't usually get that with anything open ear, and the fact that the bass is really high. So they do give you some things in the quick start guide just to make sure you're wearing them properly. The other thing to realize is each of them, I think each of them, or maybe it's just the right one. Uh, no, both of them have little buttons on the top. So the buttons on the top will be things like adjusting your volume, taking phone calls, start, stopping, and of course, fast forwarding or moving from song forward and backwards. So everything out of that one button, depending on which ear you're pushing, will kind of push you through your audio tracks. That's a win. That's a win. I'll leave links down below if you guys are interested and you want to know the pricing. So I'll put those links down below. But if you're looking for a ring style, especially an open ear design, I don't think you can go wrong with those. I think those are really good. All right, my friends, those are the XC1s from Baseus. I'm not 100% sure. Either way, they're winners. You'll be very happy with them for sure. All right, that's it for me. I will see you guys next video. Later.